Hello everyone, welcome to the series of success stories. Today we have with us Puneetha. Puneetha has completed her MCA in 2022 and then she has undergone training with 360DigiTMG. She worked on a few projects, she put in her hard work, and now she successfully ventured into data engineering stream. She's working as an associate data engineer in Happiest Minds Technologies for the last 1.9 years. And everyone is talking about data analytics and data science, but data engineering is something which is silently booming in a very big way. Until and unless you have the data available with you for disposal or for analysis, you cannot do much. So data engineer role is as important or more important rather than data analyst and data scientist in the current world that we live in. Right? So data engineering is booming field, I should say. Thank you so much, Puneetha, for joining in. So, Puneetha, we want to know from your side on how was your experience getting trained with 360DigiTMG and working on the projects, and how did it help you actually get into this profession, which everyone is dreaming about?
So thank you, Bharani, to give me, the introduction was very good. And coming to 360 is something which I got to know from all the, the brand which it has and the accreditations 360 has. So from there, I was interested in this institution and got into it. And the course which we had, the syllabus, how 360 has jotted down its syllabus, how you deliver your trainings is, it's truly commendable. And the projects we were having, it was our what I can say is we explored all the trainings whatever was given, and we delivered our projects. It was like absolutely no spoon feeding at all from 360. So that is what helped us to go explore things and do. So all the trainings, meetings we had, everything was very helpful. And Bharani, very down to earth CEO. Like any doubt, any time, just one message within minutes, we would have got the replies, or any issues were resolved within minutes. And the training sessions which were happening, the associates who were there when guiding us after the classes also, like we were after the training sessions, we would just list down our doubts, and then everything were cleared. And the assignments were the most important ones. So the way we were completing our assignments, how they were guiding us, assignments had a very major role. So we got to know solve different user scenarios in that. So yeah, it was good.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Puneetha, for those nice words. And now we changed the entire strategy, Puneetha. What we are doing is we are taking the students to the client visit also. That's one big change. Second change that we brought in is right from the training, people will undergo project experience also. They have to complete 3 projects. They complete 3 projects even before their entire training is completed. That way, their understanding will be very good once they come into the projects. And getting into this field is not a small thing, Puneetha. It's not as simple as I join the training, I'll get a job, right? You will have to put in heart and soul. A lot of effort has to go into it. And anyone who is successful, including you, I'm sure you would have invested tremendous effort into getting into this field. That hardship you have gone through, hence you are successful now. So given this context, what would be your suggestion for the next set of people who are actually planning to get into this field, who are undergoing the training? What would be a suggestion for them, Puneetha?
My suggestion would be, Bharani, as you told, hard work is the key. It is not like we are just, attending your training, doing some copy-paste assignments, and then just, closing our laptops won't work at all. So you have to understand, you have to explore things beyond what has been taught, and, define your own problem statements, try solving it, do different use cases which you get, and then only you'll get to know the real crux of playing with data. So you have to play with lot of data, how solving various problem statements. As and when you go doing it, you will understand it, learn better. So hard work as well as smart work, both are required.
Wonderful, wonderful. Well said, well positioned. Hard work and smart work both are equally important. And Puneetha is clearly saying that work on data as much as possible, try to get the practical exposure, and that will help you learn new
Correct.
tricks of the trade. Yeah. Thank you so much, Puneetha, once again for your time. And I'm absolutely certain that you will raise ahead in your career. You'll do amazing jobs, and all the best for you, Puneetha. Do stay in touch.
Likewise, Bunny. My pleasure. Thank you so much for all the good things which I got from 360, and I wish good luck to 360.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.